Hola, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be reviewing a slime package from the one and only Slime Obsidian. Slime Obsidian is a very famous slime shop, and I'm going to be reviewing of his slime. So there's nothing really else to say, so let's just get straight on into the video. Okay, I got the package open. Right when I open it in, this is what I see. Oh my god. The extra that it came with was just a Sour Patch Kids, and I think this is very nice and kind that he included this extra. In every slime package, you get their little business card and then just a little watermelon airheads extra. Here's his little business card. This slime right here is called Blueberry Glimmer, and they have very nice little labels. Oh my god. It is definitely full to the top, which is amazing. I know that a lot of slimes, they don't fill it to the top. It does come with a cute blueberry charm also. This slime is amazing. Like, I'm not kidding. I've never bought slime from a shop before, and this is amazing. This is amazing. It is so crunchy. It's so pretty, and the charm is so realistic, and the scent, oh my god. I know I'm probably overreacting, but this slime is amazing. 10 out of 10. This was the price for this slime, which is actually pretty reasonable because this slime is amazing. Next slime from him is Churro. Next slime from him is Churro Cream. Churro Cream is one of his best sellers, and it's just like been around for a long time. Oh my god. The smell kind of smells like cinnamon. You take toast, you put butter on it, you put sugar on it, and then put it on cinnamon. That's exactly what this smells like. It smells so good. This slime is a thick base. It's just a tan color with like the little like black spots in it. Ooh, to represent a churro, which is so cute. Let's hear their bubble pops. This was the price for this slime. Most of them, I'm pretty sure they are all the same price, because they were all 7 ounces. I can see why people love this slime so much because it's so amazing. Next slime is Phantom Glitter. I know Halloween passed, but I wanted to go ahead and grab one of these because I think it's just so cute. This one is another, I think it's called a, why am I forgetting? My mind's going blank. I have the slime like right here of like what the slime type is. I also label down the price. This one is a really cute slime, and it has little Ouija pieces and little ghosts. That's amazing. But it does, I don't know if it has a scent or not. I am shook. These crunches on this slime are amazing. Like, amazing. And just the idea how he came up with this is like really cute, and I think it's very nice to play with, and the little beads don't hurt your hands, which is amazing. I give this slime a 10 out of 10 on creativity. It's amazing. And hello, it's overfilling. That's crazy. This next one is called Whale Clouds. This one I saw on their Instagram, and I'm shaking. So nice. This one smells like dish soap and candy combined, if that's one way to explain it, because I don't know how else to explain it. But it smells extremely good. Oh my god, look at the bottom. At the bottom there is, guess what? A whale charm. So adorable. This cloud slime is amazing. I'll leave the price of this one right here. I'll also make sure to link all of these slimes down below if you want to go take a look at them. This slime is unicorn ice cream. This is another cloud, but I'm pretty sure this one's a cloud cream. I've never felt a cloud cream, so I don't really know. The scent right here because I don't know what it is, but if I could explain it, it smells like lemon drops and cotton candy combined, if that makes any sense. So this one's called Unicorn Ice Cream, and it comes with a little unicorn charm, which is adorable. Oh my god. You could just feel, once you put your fingers in a slime, you can tell it's like amazing. Here is the little charm. It has slime all over it. But it's just a blue little unicorn horn, which is adorable. Wow. This kind of feels like a butter slime mixed with like a cloud. Look at the colors, it's so pretty. It smells amazing. The texture. It also kind of smells like lavender, now that I think about it. A little bit like lavender. I'll leave the price and scent right over here somewhere. One and only Ultra Violet. This slime is Slime Obsidian's like iconic slime that like everyone knows him for, I guess. So this one is just a very beautiful, clear slime. Let's take a look. Oh my god, oh my god. It's not melted. It's amazing. It kind of just smells like once you walk into Bath and Body Works and you like smell all of them, kind of like all of those combined, and it kind of smells like perfume and like dish soap. I'm gonna shine some light on this thing right now. Hold up. It's so stretchy. It's so clicky. Price right here. These slimes were literally amazing. I highly recommend his store. I'll make sure to link his store down below, and make sure you go purchase some of his slime because he gives so much kindness and puts a lot of effort into every single package. And it's not like he's ripping you off. He fills it all the way to the top, and their prices are amazing. So I highly recommend his shop. And if you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching, and bye guys!